I'm Anna Trugman. I'm an assistant professor at the University of California, Santa Barbara, and I've been there since July 2019. New Phytologist has this wonderful Tansley Medal competition for early career researchers that you can apply, and if you're shortlisted, you're invited to write a mini review on a topic that's your particular area of expertise. It's a really pretty unique competition for early career researchers, and for me it's really provided an enormous platform to reach a wide audience in plant science that's broadly interested in my research area, and it's allowed me a number of opportunities, like coming to this next generation scientist meeting put on by New Phytologist, as well as instilling new collaborations with researchers in the plant sciences.
My name is Michał Bogdziewicz. I work at Adam Mickiewicz University in Poznań, in Poland, where I'm forest ecologist. That's at least what I think about me. Tansley Medal for me, many things of course, like this is a huge honor, but if I would need to choose one thing, then I think that this is giving my sub-discipline the prime time. So I have the feeling that all we know about forest ecology is about how trees grow and how they survive, how they defend themselves, but much less about how they reproduce, how they produce seeds, just because it takes so much time to collect this kind of data. And therefore, like, for a long time we get to ignore that part, and you know, by publishing Tansley Insight in that particular subject, I think that we are getting to the front lines, and this is what I appreciate the most.